everybody. My name is Paulina, and I'm a senior product manager here at Teachable. Today, I'm going to teach you about sorting on your product catalog, the Browse Products page, how you can set a custom course order, and how you can change the default sort order. Before we get started, you'll need to make sure that you are an owner of a school. So whether you are a primary or secondary owner, it doesn't matter as long as you are an owner of the school that you'll be working on today. I have two windows open. On the left-hand side here, you can see that I'm logged in as an owner. On the right-hand side over here, I am actually logged out in an incognito window. Having these two screens side by side allow me to see the two different user views that are available on my school. As you can see, I have two different sorts set as my default. When I am logged in, my default is set to in progress. This is helpful when you want your students to finish taking any content that they've started or make it really easy for them to find content that they've already completed. As you can see, I have this AI course that I started here, and then I have this Business Hub course that I have completed. After that, I have every other product available within my product catalog that I can easily enroll in. On the right-hand side, you'll notice that my default sort is set to name in alphabetical order. And reason to do this would be to make it really easy for potential students to see the different offerings in your school in a really easy to understand way. We also have some additional other sort orders that your student can use if they want to change the sort themselves. In my logged in view, I'll also have name Z to A if they want to do reverse alphabetical order. We also have this recommended order. And this is a custom order that you as the owner can set for your courses. This is a really great option if you have something like a learning path or you want to promote certain courses before other products. So next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can set this recommended order. So in case in progress or alphabetical order does not work for you, and you really want more control over how your products show to your students, we'll go and do that next. Now, as an admin, I'm going to open up the course index. I have a button to the right that says reorder. As you can see, there are a bunch of different courses in Teachable U. And in this case, we really want to promote our new B2B playbook for creators. I'm going to drag this to the top here. So you'll notice that now I have this custom order, right? So this course by Terry Rice is going to be on top, and then I'll have all of these other courses below it. So I'm going to unclick reorder, and my new order has been saved. If I want this to be reflected on my product catalog, I'm going to navigate over to Site, Navigation, and if I scroll down to Product Catalog, there is a default sort section. In this section, I will have a logged out sort and a logged in sort. By default, once again, we have logged out as alphabetical and logged in as in progress. However, in this case, let's say having it in a custom order is the most important thing to my school. I really want to make sure that folks are enrolling in this partner course that I've just created. I'm going to set logged out sort as custom catalog order and logged in sort to custom catalog order. I've saved both now. You can see that B2B Playbook is now the first product in the list, then the Launch Accelerator Challenge, etc. So now let's try and do the same thing for logged out. You'll also see that recommended order is now the default order. In these past few minutes, I've shown you how you can sort on your product catalog, why you may choose a certain default sort order depending on the outcomes you're trying to drive within your school, how your students can change that sort order, how you can actually create a custom course order, and how you can set it as the default for your school. If you have any questions, please feel free to reference our help center. I've written 2 articles on how to set the default as well as the custom course ordering. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.